Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you a really cool tool that you can download to your phone, and it makes it really simple to find prices of items and to share catalog items with our guests. So first things first, log into Consultants Corner, and then all the way over here on the left-hand side, click on Explore. Once you're in Explore, scroll down, go to Consultant Tools, and click Consultant Product Catalog. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this, like I have it on my phone, but I'm just showing you how to do it on my computer. But see how it says view installation instructions by clicking on the three dots menu? That's this, or you can click right here. So then it gives you the instructions whether you're on an Android device or if you are on an iOS, like an iPhone device. And then just do it. And it is so simple. And then when a guest asks for a specific product, you can easily pull it up on your phone and there's buttons to share it directly with them. So this is a really valuable tool, and I would hope that you guys all download it. Thanks a lot. Bye.